not moving. Anyways, meeting you after a very long time. Wow, water over there. Guys, actually we came here so many times and my brother is busy doing this. What? This is looking at wow! Let's just visit here one day. It's in Sharjah, Flag Island. So guys, this is the entrance. Guys, you should visit here one day. Excuse me. Oh, I wonder I can climb on this. No, I cannot climb. What? This is a very good place. As you already know, the Sharjah is the popular because it says the UAE culture and all. That's why this they built. Very cool, huh? People also come here to do camping. And they bring mats, they bring some food and all. Let's go and read it. What are you trying to do? Guys, if you want to read, pretty cool, huh? Let's read it. I'll read it for you. With the praise of Allah and His blessings. His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi, member of the Supreme Council, ruler of Sharjah, inaugurated the flag island and raised the flag of the United Arab Emirates on this flagpole, measuring 123 meters. Sunday 18 Muharram 1434, 2nd December 2012. That means this flag is very old. Guys, you must be wondering what's that written on the board. Well, I'll say you. That thing written on the board. I'm going from there. Guys, wait for me, guys. So these are actually the all Emirates name in the UAE. These are all the Emirates name in the UAE. They decided to put them here to make it nice and cool. So guys, one by one I'll explain all of the speciality of these 7 Emirates. We'll start from Abu Dhabi. This is Abu Dhabi. It's the capital of the UAE, very big. Now let's move to the Dubai. And to say you something important about Dubai, especially for Indians. First I'll explain the speciality. Dubai is a popular state in UAE and it is the tourism place. All people from the countries come to visit Dubai. And there is Burj Khalifa also in Dubai. That's why it's very popular. So guys, some Indian call this Dubai as a country. This is not a country. It's a state in United Arab Emirates. Dubai is a state. Guys, I'll explain you in Hindi. Maybe it will be what? तो ये जो है ना दुबई, ये दुबई एक कंट्री नहीं है, ये एक स्टेट है, ये यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स में है ये यूएई. Done. So guys, Ras Al Khaimah is famous for mountains. There is a very famous mountain in the UAE. That's called Jabal Jais. It's very popular and it's only located in this Ras Al Khaimah. And also people who are doing hiking, they can go there, and also campers. I forgot about campers. Umm Al Quwain is also famous for beaches and for Emirati culture. water sports. There are very famous water sports in Fujairah. So, like this, maybe the next one, there is no next one, I think. Maybe we completed all of them. Yeah, Al Sharjah. So this Al Sharjah is an heritage capital. Means there is lot of heritage things there. There are art museum, Sharjah Fort, Heart of Sharjah, lot of things are there. You must visit Sharjah. I think lot of people live in Sharjah only. So guys, this is Al Ajman. It's the smallest state in the UAE and there are two specialities of them. First, Ajman is famous for relaxing and for beaches. Ajman is very famous for beaches. So next, the second speciality of Ajman is the Ajman ruler was Al Nahyan, and they focused more on education. Education. I want to see you secret. My school is also in Ajman, maybe someone watches my vlogs, my classmates does. So I study in Habitat School Al Jarf. See how beautiful it is. These all are Sharjah official buildings. Sharjah official buildings. Bye guys. So subscribe, like, share and comment. And now as I have 51 subscribers, thank you very much.